This is Dipanshu Modi. Today I'll be showing the installation of Hadoop in my system, which is Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. I'll be installing Hadoop version 3.2.1 with a Java 8 version. So let's get started. Sudo apt install open JDK 8. Now make sure it's there in the directory. As it's already installed, you guys can install later. User library JVM, make sure it's there. It's there for me. Make sure it's there for you. And then come out the directory. Then open this file. Go to the bottom and paste all these. I'll be mentioning all these in the description. These are the file path, location path of the environment variables. Now come out of the file. Now we'll install Secure Shell. It's already there in my system, so you guys can install. Now we'll install pdsh. Secure Shell is basically to connect to the remote server securely, and pdsh is just the same way. It is used for multiple node clusters. So it's also there. Now we'll go to the website of the Hadoop so that we can get the tar file. Go to the download section. You guys can install this one. You guys can install latest one also, but I've used 3.2.1 and I've downloaded the binary download so that you can get the tar file. After getting tar file, you need to extract it. First of all, I'll show you I've downloaded it. It's there in the downloads. There it is. And then we need to extract this. ZXVF. Put the location of the downloads. Hadoop. Now extraction process is going on. It will take few seconds. It's done. Go to the Hadoop directory, etc. Now Hadoop, and make sure you go to the home. As it's there in the home, we need it in the same directory, so we'll cut this and paste it here. Now we'll open this. Sudo nano hadoop env.sh. Now we need to set up the Java home location. Should be right here somewhere. Yeah, there we are. We need to set it to the path which we have set it on Java. The same path. Copy this and paste it here. Yeah, we're good to go. Save it, get back. Now go to this file, sudo nano hdfs. Let's go to core site XML. In this we need to add few things. Copy this, paste it, save it. Now go to SDFS, come at the bottom, Come here, copy this, paste it, save it, MapRed, come at the bottom, copy this, save it, go to yarn site file, come at the bottom, now we need to establish localhost. You'll get this. After this, copy this, key generation override, yes. Now we'll be granting the permissions to the file. There we go. Let's do it now. Copy this. It says it's already running. Let's stop that one first, which I tried earlier. So actually last time when I used it, I forgot to stop all the nodes. You won't get this message, so don't worry. You just need to enter this command. Now it will format it, rewrite. There you go, it's done. Now we'll export pdsh. Wait a sec. Copy this. Now we'll start the TFS node. So nodes are starting now. Name node, data node, secondary name nodes. So it's working now. So now guys, you can check it by opening localhost. It's working, opening, Hadoop is working now. Thank you for watching the tutorial.